A 7x 13 would have been insane, bro. We need the 15, 15, 15. Yes, we hit a top slot. I'll take it. Imagine some golds here, man. $150 bet here. We need some good ones. 40s, 20s, 100, imagine. 100 would be a 100 or $15,000 win. 6, 4, that's so bad. It was right beside a 100. Give me a gold. Yes, a gold. That's my first ever gold I've ever hit. 40x, I'll take it. Our biggest win of the video so far. A 40x top slot monster mash. $6,000 win. We're back up